We're taking a quick look at this refrigerator.
Okay, well, we'll have to do it again.
It's not like they're gonna just send us the parts.
Well, we'll figure it out, Joss, okay? Okay,
So you can see the dispenser is clicking.
bye.
Reason is the auger motor and the position switch, which is controlled by the control board. Let's see. That's also broken. They don't spend much time building these things like they used to.
I was gonna say, this looks like a
Everything is
little
falling
cheap piece of
apart.
plastic.
Yeah. And the board was just replaced. Yeah, but that's why it's clicking. Is the defect control board? That's the issue with that function there. And the ice maker, you need an ice maker service kit because warm air is infiltrating inside the icebox compartment and causing everything to froze up and create a mess.
Okay,
All right, so I'll put this together back and I'll just write it all up.
can you make that stop clicking? Can you turn it off so it stops?
I'm not able to. I'll try and stop the noise.